Hi there. So what we're going to do here today is add a new address locator to a ArcGIS Pro project. I've made a legal land location locator that you can use in ArcGIS projects to basically search for a legal land location via section, township, range, meridian information. So let's see how this is going to work. So first off, you have a locator that you have downloaded from an email, or you've got this package that I've sent you. And what we're going to do is put that, of course, somewhere on our hard drive. And then I've got a map project open up here, and I need to find out a way to add this locator and make it work in our map. So first of all, just a review of locators. If I go to this locator here, sorry about that. It is the standard locator that is loaded. It doesn't have mine yet, but this is where it's going to show up right here. So how do we get it there? So I have this folder that I've already made a folder connection to, that same folder that I downloaded. There's my locator package. And if I just go right click, add to project, it's going to import that locator to ArcGIS Pro, to this project, this specific project here. And then I can basically use the locator. So let's go locate, search. Let's just make sure it's there. There it is, it's loaded. And I could type in a land location like Olds College here, 33, 32-1-5. You do need the dashes. There's no preceding zeros or anything like that. It's just section, township, range, meridian. Hit enter. And oh, that's interesting. So I just learned something there. So it does find it, although it finds a whole bunch of other things. If you want to speed that up, you can just turn off these other locators here. I'm just going to do another one that's close to that. 28, 32, 1, 5. And it's going to find that a lot faster, not trying to use the other locator services. Again, that was just the drop down there. I just have that one there. Now this gets really powerful when you combine it with other data that I've talked about, such as the Alberta Township System grid. And so this is the GeoDiscover web map service layer that you can add. And another layer that you can add here is the crops layer from the federal government, the annual crop inventory data based on satellite image classification. And when you have these two combined, let me just move the ATS above, I'm able to kind of zoom around the province here via land location and really start finding things. Let's do another one here. Let's do the Pitstra lands here. I believe it's 29, 32, 1, plus the 5th. Not Pitstra, but you get the idea.